Church Street Interchange. Turning right at the roundabout. Hug the paint as you're going around, exit and head towards the interchange. The road will split into three. The left lane for turning left, the middle for going straight ahead and turning right, the right-hand lane for turning right. Given the choice of the two, the left lane, or the middle lane on this occasion, is the best lane. Turning right, following a wide arc, being careful not to cut over the right to the traffic in the right-hand lane, and make progress. Approaching the Church Street junction from the Clarence Road end. This time we're going to go straight across the junction. Again, the right-hand two lanes can turn right, but only the middle lane can go straight ahead. As this is a busy junction crossing the A689, the light sequence going straight across and turning right is a short one. And make progress. Again, we're approaching the junction from Clarence Road. This time we're going to turn right up Stockton Street. Both the lanes you can turn right, this one straight ahead. Given the choice, the left lane is the best lane. The light's on green, make progress. Remember there's two lanes turning to the right, so maintain a nice wide arc going round. Leave the junction, mirrors, make progress.